Student loan garnishment. Are they taking your wages or your tax returns? I'm going to show you how to make it stop now. Hi, my name is Jesse with CreditCEO, and I'm going to teach you how to correct, enhance, and obtain the credit of your dream. So you have a problem. You want to buy a house, finance a car, retire early, build wealth, spend more time with your family, but there's a piece of the puzzle missing, and it's your credit. Well, I'm going to show you the solution. I've got it for you right here. Are you being garnished? Do you need to stop student loan garnishment? Are they taking your wages or your taxes? Well, I'm going to cover step by step what you need to do to stop the garnishment right now. This is something that we help our clients with. So if this isn't something you want to do yourself, go ahead and reach out to us on our website. We would be glad to help you out in any way possible. The first thing that you need to do when trying to stop student loan garnishment is you need to log into the NSLDS, which is the National Student Loan Database. You want to do that to check out what loans you have and figure out what loans are listed as in default. After you figure out what loans are in default, you want to call the collection agency. Now, on any other type of collection, I don't recommend that you call or talk to them, but when it comes to dealing with a student loan, you have to work with the collection agency. The thing with student loans is they never come off your credit report and they never go away unless they are paid. So you need to get on this or this is going to haunt you for a long time. When you call the collection agency, they're usually going to refer you to another collection agency who is actually holding or collecting on that debt. And what you're going to do is you're going to reach out to them and ask to enroll in the rehab program. What they will do is they're going to get a bunch of information from you. They're going to get information about your income, your expenses, stuff like that. And they're going to create a payment plan based on your income and expenses. Once you're enrolled in the rehab program, after 5 on-time voluntary payments, the garnishment will stop, whether it's a wage garnishment or whether they're taking your tax return. After you've made 5 on-time payments, the garnishments will stop. Now, if you need to speed up this process, you can make a payment every 20 days instead of every 30 days, and that will help you speed up the process and get out of garnishment faster. After you have made a total of 9 on-time payments, what's going to happen is this loan is going to be completely removed from the collection agency. They're going to waive all of your collection fees and they're going to send it back to the original student loan servicer, and you're going to need to make payment arrangements with them. So this is going to help you stop your student loans from garnishing your wages or your tax returns. If you found this helpful, please share it with a friend or a family member. Subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment below. If you want us to do this for you, just go ahead and reach out on our website to schedule a free consultation. We do this for a bunch of people. We'd be glad to help you and process all the paperwork for you and get you in a rehab program.
If you found this video to be helpful, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and leave us a positive comment below. I read all of the comments and I love you guys. So keep up the great work and I will see you on the next video.